Today I'm going to teach you how to reply to a comment in Strava. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Strava application on your device. Once it loads up, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several navigation options. From these options, tap on You to access your personal profile section. This is where all your activity data and interactions are stored. Now that you're in your profile area, look toward the top of the screen and you'll notice a tab labeled Activities. Go ahead and tap on it. This section displays all the workouts and activities you've recorded, making it easy to navigate through your training history and engage with comments from other users. Next, scroll through your activities list until you find the specific activity where you want to reply to a comment. This could be a recent run, ride, or any other workout that received feedback from your followers or friends. Once you locate it, look just beneath the activity details and you'll see a comment icon. Tap on this icon to open up the comment section where you can view all the interactions on that particular activity. Now here's where you can engage directly with whoever left a comment. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a text field designed for typing your response. To reply specifically to someone, start by typing the symbol. This activates Strava's mention feature, allowing you to tag users directly in your reply. After typing begin entering the name of the person you want to reply to. Strava will show suggestions as you type, making it easier to select the correct user from your connections. Once you've selected the person's name, continue typing your message in the same text field. Say whatever you'd like in response to their comment, whether it's a thank you, answering a question, or just engaging in conversation about your workout. When you're finished typing your reply, look for the checkmark icon. Tap it to send your message. Your reply will now appear in the comment thread, and the person you mentioned will receive a notification that you've responded to them. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a comment in Strava and engaged with your community. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.